Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Guys, in this video I want you guys to learn how to play the MBTI fortune telling game that is popularly found in Anok villages in South Korea. Guys, it's super amazing. We didn't know how to play, so we had to ask our manager to teach us. So enjoy, guys. So in South Korea, I got to experience the Anok experience in Bocheon Anok village in South Korea. So that is where we are currently making this video. So in this place in Bocheon Anok village, we found the MBTI fortune telling machine, and yeah, our manager showed us how to play it. So first of all, you have to have 1,000 Korean won, and then when you put the 1,000 Korean won into the machine, it's going to go ahead to give you a coin.
It's not the regular coin. Yeah, this coin for the machine. So this is like for a man, or if you're a woman, you get like this one. So you want to.
So after getting the coin, the next step is to put the coin inside the machine. Okay. So after doing this, a ball is going to roll down, and once the ball rolls down, you go ahead to pick it up, and when you pick up the ball, the next step is to break it with the hammer. Okay. So guys, these are my three friends: Nikoshi from Sri Lanka, Tira from Egypt, and then our manager Leah. So guys, this final step is like one of the most important step, which is breaking the ball with your mallet and getting the paper that would read your fortune. So guys, she did it. So I hope this video has helped you learn how to play this MBTI fortune game. It is popularly found in South Korea. Thank you for watching. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and turn on the notification button. I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye guys.
That's so weird. What's written in here? I don't know. I need to translate. Yeah, now you can use like Papago to translate. Yeah. You know, in Papago you can take a picture and translate picture.
Yeah, okay. Are you trying to?